What's up, y'all? It's Matt with Family Tradition Farms. Hey, today I want to show you guys just how easy it is to install the OutFarming planter monitor system on your planter. Okay guys, to start out, we've got our old John Deere 7000 planter. We're going to be pulling it with our 4430 this spring, and we are installing a planter monitor for the first time ever on this planter. As you can see, we've got it completely torn down. We got the gauge wheels over here, we got our disc openers over here, old seed tubes and new seed tubes. So these are precision planting bullseye seed tubes, and these are high population sensors from Shoop. We just zip tie them on, they're good to go. Also from Shoop is our wiring harness. Now guys, this is the best wiring harness to buy on the market, period. I know Shoop, oh, it's cheaper. Nope. These harnesses are built to the planter. So this is a 6-row planter. Row number 6 is longer than row number 5, is longer than row number 4, and so on. So you don't have a whole bunch of extra wires hanging out. That wiring harness there, again, super easy. You just lay it out, runs up into here, into a connection box, down the frame. And in this case, typically it'll go in through the back of the cab there, but because we're just playing around with it, making sure it all works, we've just got it pulled up here into the box. So this guy's here is the OutFarming. You can see the tag down in there. This is the OutFarming planter monitor box. So this guy here is what actually talks to the planter and then relays it to the monitor. In this case, it's just a tablet. So we just have a temporary power pulled. This guy here is just wired into the battery on the other side just so we can get some power pulled here. But I want to show you guys that how easy this thing is to operate and how easy it is to install. So we are having some Bluetooth connection issues just because of where we're at in the shop. But this monitor Bluetooths to this box. And that's all it is. That's the only communication there is between the planter and your monitor. So once you have that wired in, all you got to do is put this tablet up in the cab of your tractor, have it where it is accessible, readable, and you will have singulations, populations, skips, doubles, everything you could want to see across your entire planter, you'll be able to see on this monitor. So I just wanted to show you guys just how easy it is to install this OutFarming planter monitor. Now again guys, this is, I'm not sponsored by Jim, although Jim is a heck of a guy. I have talked to him several times on the phone. He has helped me out a ton in figuring out the monitor and playing around with it. Not sponsored. I bought this system. I bought everything about this system, but head on over to outfarming.com. If you've got questions about it, you can drop them down below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Or find us on Facebook, Instagram, shoot me a message. Again, be more than happy to answer them. But seriously guys, if you want to put a cheap, very, very accurate monitor on your old planter, whether it be a John Deere, Case IH, Kinsey, whatever it is, this monitor system, this will go up to a 32-row planter, I believe. So you can have a 1631 Kinsey and you can run it all through this one system. This is it. OutFarming, the best on the market as far as I'm concerned, and it's priced way better than a lot of the other ones.